To complete the transition sentences in between each paragraph, you need to get a better idea of what you're talking about. Reread what you have on each screen before writing your transition. What I have written here, the introduction here goes over what my claim is. If a student has homework, it should be a continuation of what the student is learning in class in case they need more time to understand the concept. My first reason is that higher amounts of homework cause less social development amongst peers. To connect the two, let me move this up a little bit. To connect the two, I use a transition. Furthermore, there is a careful balance when homework is beneficial versus a burden on a student. This kind of leads into my next reasoning about the burden of students not having a good social development. To get ideas, like the word furthermore, in our assignments attached to this classroom, I have linking words. Lots of different ideas on how to use different words in your essay. I would look over this carefully. Here, it's furthermore that I have chosen. All right, let's look at the next transition. Here, I'm talking about the social development, and in the next one, I'm talking about how homework can be considered busy work. To connect these, I have written, students will not have essential interactions with others if they are constantly completing redundant work. That connects my two reasons. Let's look at my next one. This reason, homework can be busy work, and with this one, the student's true ability will not be reflected in completed homework assignments. My connection here is, consequently, a student who is attempting and failing the same task over and over can cause more frustration than needed. If a student is working alone at home and not understanding an assignment, it can be very frustrating. But if you have a parent at home to help you out, it can help you better understand the work. But not everybody has that opportunity. So let's concentrate on my transition to my conclusion. A student's true ability will not be reflected in completed homework assignments. And then my conclusion, I restate my claim. Students should not be assigned work for the sake of having homework. Homework can be beneficial for those who need extra time for classwork, but too much homework could hurt a student's social development and not reflect a true sense of the student's learning. All right, so what ideas could I write about here? My transition that I have concluded to write is, in order for a teacher to be fully knowledgeable of their students' capabilities, graded assignments should be completed in class so that all students have the same opportunities. I've used this in order after looking over my linking words, cause, purpose, in order to help enhance my essay. After you have finished your transitions and all the boxes are filled on your persuasive outline, you may create a document in Google Classroom and type your rough draft.